If you are wondering if you have to purchase the original genuine power adapter for your Nothing phone 4a, then the answer is no. So if you need to purchase a power adapter for your Nothing phone 4a, and if you're wondering if you have to purchase Nothing's charger or power adapter, then the answer is no. Of course, it is the recommended choice. Naturally, Nothing's power adapter is going to be the best one for a Nothing phone, as you may figure it out at this point. But if you really want to purchase another power adapter, I mean a power adapter made by another brand, then it's going to work as well. For example, I personally use a Realme power adapter. It works just fine. I also have a Xiaomi power adapter that works too. So it doesn't really matter that much if you are wondering if your power adapter that you're trying to buy is going to work, because yes, it's going to work. So yeah, so if you are just concerned about the being able to charge the power adapter, to be able to charge the phone, then you do not really need to get the original power adapter, the Nothing's power adapter, because any other brand is going to work as well. Although I just have to mention though that I recommend using at least a well-known brand. I would avoid using like knockoffs or unknown brands. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.